Good morning. Today is January 29th, 2024. And today I'd like to share some of our Umaha language with everyone. My name is Karen Tyndall. Umaha ijaje wiwita te miishto. Ingthonga, Ingthonga, cat.